Good morning everyone. Today I will explain the driver operating procedures for our City Railway DMU. This training is prepared by the Rail Operation Department. Please listen carefully and feel free to ask questions at the end. Here is our plan. Chapter 1, Attendance and Handover, what to do before duty and when taking over the train. Chapter 2, DMU Functional Test, how to start and check systems. Chapter 3, Entry and Exit from the depot, safe movement inside the depot. Chapter 4, Train operation during the journey, rules while running online. Chapter 5, Shutdown operations in the workshop, how to stop and secure. Chapter 6, Off-duty work, what to record and report after duty. Chapter 1, Attendance and Handover. Before work. Sleep well, no alcohol or drugs that cause sleepiness. Arrive on time at the dispatch office and check in. Read the driver's manual, copy important notes as required, listen to instructions, sign/stamp the manual if needed. Be fit for duty. Correct uniform, PP ready, ID carried. Key message, start clear, safe, and on time. When taking over the DMU. Confirm the train is fully stopped and secured. Check all switches and air switches are in required positions. Follow the DMU inspection procedure step by step, do not skip items. If anything looks wrong, stop and report, do not move until fixed. Walk around slowly and look carefully. Major parts show no deformation, no looseness, no missing parts, anti-collision marks are clear. Coupler condition good, stone sweeper height correct. Wipers look normal, headlights lenses not broken. Axle boxes and bogie center traction system in good condition, no leak/damage. Check. Primary/secondary coil springs and air springs look normal. Brake pipe joints tight, no leaks. Wheel treads normal, no big flat/cracks. Converter firmly installed, motor suspension good. Brake fan safe and reliable. Diesel engine exterior normal, no fresh oil/coolant leaks. Compressor parts in good condition. Valve/switch positions correct per procedure. Confirm all levels meet rules. Power pack lube oil between dipstick marks. Fuel greater than or equal to 300 L. Coolant greater than or equal to 2/3 capacity. Hydraulic oil greater than or equal to 1/2 capacity. Battery box fixed firmly, cover locked. Some/underframe parts tight, nothing loose/hanging. Gear oil greater than or equal to 1/2 capacity. If low, top up or report per procedure. Chapter 2. DMU Functional Test. Battery activation. On the driver's cabin control panel, set the BAT's power switch to on. Check the battery voltmeter. It should show about 108 V. If voltage is low, follow the guide for charging or replacement and report. Power pack self-check. Wait about 6 to 10 minutes. Watch the TCMS screen. The two power pack icons should change from gray to blue. When the icons turn blue, the power pack self-check is complete. If the icons do not change or you see an alarm, follow the fault checklist and call for support. Driver's cabin activation. Insert the key into the controller key slot. Turn the key to on to activate the main driver's cabin. Confirm the cabin is now the master cabin on the TCMS. Start power pack. Press the Power Pack Running button on the desk. The power pack will start and stabilize. Look at the TCMS. The D icon should turn green. If it stays gray or shows red, stop and follow the fault procedure. Converter and air compressor. Traction converter, check the TCMS. The display should be normal. Air compressor, watch the air pressure gauge. It starts when total air pressure is below 7.5 bar. It stops when total air pressure reaches 9 bar. Listen for abnormal noise and check for leaks. Report if anything is not normal. Air conditioning and lighting test. Air conditioning, set a normal temperature and confirm the system response. Lighting, turn on passenger room lights, driver's cabin light, and headlights. Confirm all work and are steady. If any light is out, use the spare or report for change. Wipers, broadcast, and doors. Wipers, switch on and confirm smooth movement and clear wiping. Passenger announcement, set Lot 1A or Lot 3 line and run a short test. The station program should play correctly. Doors, try the left and right door control. Confirm correct status indication and safe operation. Traction load test, preconditions and action. Before traction test, make sure door selection switch is in the middle position. Emergency brake indicator is off. All doors are closed. Parking brake is released. No brake failure is shown. Then, change the direction on the controller as needed. Move the master controller to traction and to braking zones to test. Watch the current display and confirm it is within the normal range. If values are abnormal, stop and report. Chapter 3, Entry and Exit from the Depot, Communication and Speed. Contact the depot dispatcher. Confirm your route in and out of the depot. After receiving permission, sound the horn and move slowly. During movement, check that signals and switch points are in the correct state. Follow speed limits strictly. Workshop, inside the shed max 5 km per hour. Inside the depot yard, max 15 km per hour. Be ready to stop at any time if a person, vehicle, or tool appears. Chapter 4, On the Line, Door Operations. Before opening or closing passenger doors, look and confirm it is safe. Only open doors on the correct side and after the train has stopped. Watch the platform. If there are crowds or obstacles, wait and assist. Close the doors after boarding and alighting are complete. Confirm door closed indication. Changing to the other cabin, turn back. When changing ends, confirm doors are safely closed. Put the master controller to 0 position. Set the direction controller to neutral. Remove the key. Take the door key and controller key with you to the other end. At the new cabin, repeat the activation steps and confirm master control. Special sections and stations. Lot 3 line near DK25, there are many pedestrians, road crossings, and cattle. Reduce speed and keep it at or below 40 km per hour, use the horn when needed. Be ready to brake. Airport Terminal Station, the bumper is close to the stopping point. Keep speed in the station at or below 20 km per hour, stop smoothly and confirm a safe distance from the bumper. Speed rules during the journey. Passing a turnout on the main line, side direction max 30 km per hour. When operating on all open main lines in the area, max 40 km per hour unless told otherwise. Passing a platform without stopping, max 40 km per hour. Normal main line running speed, 70 km per hour. On long or steep gradients, reduce speed early and keep control. Follow any temporary speed change from the dispatcher at once. Chapter 5. Shutdown in the workshop, securing the train. When the DMU enters the workshop and stops, do these steps in order. Put the master handle and direction handle to 0. Stop the air conditioning. Turn off headlights and passenger room lights. Stop the power pack. Remove the controller key. Switch off the driver's cabin battery switch. Turn off cabin lights. Get off the train and lock the door. Report any faults you found during the run, and place warning tags if needed. Chapter 6. Off-duty work, records and handover. When you finish your shift, fill in and submit the logbook form. Write clearly. Complete the record form for any special events, delays, or faults. Report the train's condition to the dispatcher or maintenance team. Hand over keys and devices as required. Confirm the next driver knows any open issues. Thank you for your attention. Safety and discipline.